2. No, it's 3, right? Third one. Pune. This is 4. Goa. And this is 5. Kerala. Okay. So quickly create it, everyone. 5 dictionaries you need to create inside a list. You need to create this article data. Display it in the HTML in my browser. So as we do not have the database, we have not yet learned the database concept. We will be starting it in the next week. So before that, how to do? We don't have database. So there is no place to store the data. So we are storing it in the views itself. Once you learn the database concept, you can store the data in the database itself. As we have not yet completed with the database, so for this particular project, we are going to create the data manually in the views. Got it, Subbalakshmi? Done? Okay. Now what have we explained in the yesterday's class? That is how to send the data from the views to the HTML file. Yes, everyone, what is the name? How can I send? What my render function is going to accept? The third parameter. What is the third parameter my render function is going to accept? Yes, the context. My render function is going to accept the context. The third parameter, the context it is going to accept. What do you mean by context? It is used to send the data from the views to the HTML file. It is used to send the data from the views to the HTML file. I want to send the data to the home.html file. So, how to create the context? Context is a dictionary. Context is the dictionary of key value pairs. What is context? Context is a dictionary with key value pair, where my key should be always in the form of string, whereas data can be anything. Key should be always in the form of string, whereas data can be anything. So now I am going to create a context, my third parameter, the dictionary, where I will give the key as data. I am going to give the key as data, and the value will be my list article data. Value will be the list article data. Article data. I am creating a dictionary with key value pair, where my key is data. Data, it is a string, whereas article data is a variable which is having the list data. Article data is a variable in the list data. Now I can access it in the home.html. So let me take one step back here. Observe everyone how to access it with the help of variable DTL tag, double flower braces. Here what I need to give? I need to give the name of the key. I need to pass my key. What is my key? Data is the key. Anusha, are you able to follow? So to send the data from the views to the HTML file, we will be making use of the context.